Welcome to this in-depth exploration of AI technology that changes the world. In this captivating journey, we will delve into groundbreaking for top AI technologies that have the potential to reshape our world in incredible ways. Get ready to witness the transformative power of artificial intelligence. 1. AI chatbots. We begin our exploration by immersing ourselves in the world of AI chatbots, where human-like conversations and seamless interactions have become a reality. Let's dive into 3 notable examples: ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Bard. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, stands as an exceptional language model. Powered by the GPT-4 architecture, it leverages extensive training data to generate human-like responses, providing users with engaging and interactive conversations. Whether it's answering queries, assisting with tasks, or engaging in meaningful discussions, ChatGPT offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of AI-powered chatbots. Bing Chat, an AI chatbot powered by Microsoft, takes conversational interfaces to the next level. Seamlessly integrating with various Microsoft services, Bing Chat enables users to access information, make reservations, and engage in natural and intuitive conversations. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant at your fingertips, ready to assist you at any time. But chatbots aren't limited to just answering questions. They can also unleash creativity. Bard, an intriguing AI chatbot, has been designed to assist creative writers. It offers suggestions, helps overcome writer's block, and even generates original content, inspiring and supporting writers throughout their creative process. Bard is a true companion for those seeking to unlock their artistic potential. 2. AI drawing. Now, let's shift our focus to the realm of AI-powered drawing and artistic expression. Prepare to be amazed by the technologies that push the boundaries of visual creativity. Today, we explore Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALL-E 2. Stable Diffusion introduces a groundbreaking technique that allows artists to create stunning visual effects by manipulating images, using AI algorithms. It opens up new possibilities for digital artists, enabling them to craft captivating and imaginative visuals. With Stable Diffusion, the boundaries of artistic expression are expanded like never before. Midjourney, an AI-powered tool, assists artists in creating realistic and visually appealing landscapes. Leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms, Midjourney generates intricate details, textures, and lighting effects that elevate artistic creativity to unprecedented levels. Whether it's painting breathtaking natural sceneries or crafting mesmerizing urban landscapes, Midjourney is a valuable tool for artists seeking to bring their visions to life. Imagine being able to generate highly realistic images from mere textual descriptions. That's exactly what DALL-E 2, developed by OpenAI, accomplishes. By understanding and interpreting text prompts, DALL-E 2 produces astonishing visual representations, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. This remarkable technology opens new avenues for creativity and empowers artists to manifest their wildest ideas visually. 3. AI-assisted writing. Moving on, we explore the realm of AI-assisted writing, where AI technologies have become invaluable in various fields. One notable example is Microsoft Copilot, an exceptional AI-powered tool designed to enhance the writing process. Microsoft Copilot provides intelligent suggestions and auto-completion in various programming languages, assisting programmers in writing code more efficiently. This accelerates software development, fostering innovation and productivity. With Microsoft Copilot, developers can focus more on the logic and problem-solving aspects of their code, while the AI assists with the repetitive and mundane tasks. It's like having a highly skilled coding partner that can help streamline the development process, saving time and improving overall code quality. By analyzing patterns, code repositories, and best practices, Microsoft Copilot offers intelligent suggestions and snippets, enabling developers to write cleaner, more efficient code. This AI-assisted writing tool not only avatar productivity but also empowers developers to explore new possibilities and push the boundaries of their projects. For AI Virtual Avatar. As our journey nears its conclusion, we venture into the realm of AI Virtual Avatar. These innovative technologies are transforming the way we create and present content. Let's take a closer look at platforms like Aistudios and Heygen that harness the power of AI to create lifelike virtual avatar. Websites like this offer AI-generated virtual avatar for videos and presentations. These platforms provide customizable virtual avatar that can match different styles and personas, simplifying the process of creating engaging and professional content. With a few simple steps, users can select their preferred virtual avatar, customize their appearance, and even adjust their tone and language to suit the desired atmosphere. These AI virtual avatar are equipped with advanced speech synthesis and facial animation technologies, allowing them to deliver speeches, interviews, or presentations with a human-like touch. They can engage audiences, convey information, and create an immersive experience that captivates viewers. The utilization of AI virtual avatar opens up exciting possibilities for content creators, businesses, and educators to deliver impactful and dynamic presentations. As we come to the end of our exploration, we have witnessed how AI technology is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. From AI chatbots that facilitate seamless conversations to AI drawing tools that unlock new realms of creativity, and from AI-assisted writing that enhances productivity to AI virtual avatar that elevate the presentation experience, the potential of AI to change the world is awe-inspiring. As these technologies continue to evolve and integrate into our daily lives, we are poised to witness further transformations and advancements that will shape the future. Embracing these AI technologies with responsible and ethical practices will ensure that we harness their power for the betterment of society. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the world of AI technology. Remember to stay curious, explore new possibilities, and embrace the transformative power of AI in shaping a brighter future for all.